Good day everyone and welcome to this lecture. My name is Ramzi Hassan. I am an associate professor in computer visualizations and the director of the virtual reality laboratory at NMBU. I am also the leader of the digital research group and coordinator for the LUD courses at the School of Landscape Architecture at Lansing. In this lecture, I will be talking about an exciting new technology that's making waves across various fields, including landscape architecture design. It's artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. I will try to offer insights into how AI operates and explore its potential applications in the field of landscape architecture and planning. The insights that I am sharing with you here today are based on the experiments and explorations conducted at the VR lab since the emergence of this technology by autumn 2022. But let us understand first what AI technology truly is. According to Wikipedia, AI can be compared with a brain for a machine. Just imagine it as a super smart computer program that can learn from experiences and make decisions on its own without being explicitly programmed for each task. AI is designed to mimic human thinking, problem-solving, decision-making abilities, and can analyze information and also even understand language. So, when you talk with your phone or use a smart assistant like Siri or Alexa, you are interacting with a form of AI. What we see is that the artificial intelligence technology is quickly transforming various industries, and the landscape architecture sector will be no exception. Let us look at how AI works. The first step of AI is called input. In this step, you as a user must feed a request into the AI system. We usually call this a prompt. The request or a prompt does not necessarily have to be a text input. It can be also an image or a speech, as we will see later. At this stage, it is necessary to clearly define the context of the data and the desired outcome. The second step is processing. The processing is when AI takes the data and decides what to do with it. While processing, AI takes the pre-programmed data and uses the behaviors it has learned to recognize the same or similar behaviors patterns in real-time data, depending upon the particular AI technology. The third step is what is called data outcomes. After the AI system has processed the data, it predicts the outcomes and presents it to the user. The user can then make a judgment of the outcome and make further assessment of data produced. In case the data outcomes are not satisfactory, the user can make adjustments to the original prompt and process the data again. Since the launch of commercial AI systems by late 2022, we have seen an increase and rapid development in the use of and implementation of AI systems. However, when it comes to utilizing AI for landscape design and planning, one of the key ways AI is currently offering potentials for is through generative design. This process involves inputting specific constraints and parameters into an AI-powered software, which then generates multiple scenarios, options that meet these criteria. The user can then analyze and refine these options, ultimately selecting the most suitable scenario for the given context. I wish to share with you now some of the results of our experimentations and explorations of AI-powered applications for generative design. I wish to emphasize the fact that there are many AI-powered applications out there. Our selection criteria for testing and experimentations were based on the availability and relevance of these applications to landscape architecture design. The objective of these experiments was to show how AI-powered tools can serve the creative process and make conception more efficient. To be able to prove a visual idea very quickly and then iterate on it to illustrate a concept to a client or someone who needs to visualize some idea within a matter of seconds versus what might have taken days or weeks. The first example shows experimentation with generative fill through the new release of Adobe Photoshop. Generative Fill is an AI tool-powered application by Adobe that enables you to add and remove content from images non-destructively using simple text prompts to achieve realistic results. As you can see, you can select an area and provide a prompt with a specific input criteria. Then the system will generate a scenario for you. With this example, we continue experimenting with the generative fill within Adobe Photoshop by constructing a historical scene for the ancient ruins of Hammer Cathedral. You can follow these steps presented in this video and get an idea of how to construct and come up with the correct prompt that provides the best results. Firefly is another innovative tool within the Adobe suite, available as a standalone web application via fireflyadobe.com. Its primary focus is to streamline creative processes using advanced AI technology. Among its features is generative fill, which is similar to a function we previously explored in Adobe Photoshop. Its optimal performance is observed on an iPad when used in combination with an Apple Pencil. This tool allows for the modification of images and the creation of a new visual concept based on predefined design criteria, showcasing the ability to manipulate photos and generate fresh illustrations through tailored prompts. Follow this example and see the process of creating a visual concept scenario for this street in Oslo. Another interesting AI feature that Adobe Firefly is offering is the text-to-image feature. Text-to-image AI generator enables you to generate images according to your specific prompt description. You can easily specify and change aspects, ratio, style, color, lighting, and more until you find the right scenario. See these examples showing the production of AI-generated illustrations with text-to-image AI feature. NVIDIA Canvas is another intelligent software developed by NVIDIA that utilizes artificial intelligence to transform simple brush strokes into lifelike landscape images. With this tool, the designer can bring their ideas for imaginative landscapes and scenes to life quickly. NVIDIA Canvas offers a new level of creative freedom and possibilities by leveraging the power of AI to translate the brush strokes made by the user. By algorithmically generate realistic landscape elements like skies, clouds, grass, stones, water, mountains, forests, and more. The tool provides a user-friendly interface with various tools and features, making it accessible and easy to use. Another AI-powered application for visualization that I wish to share with you here is the Virus from Evolve Lab. Virus leverage your 3D model geometry to fuel the generation of scenarios. It understands your 3D data, features, and objects such as trees, human figures, landscapes, and uses it as a point of departure to develop a scenario. Virus comes as a plug-in for 3D modeling programs such as SketchUp, Revit, and Rhinoceros. It means that it works within the modeling program itself. It has also a web application for processing images. This tool allows you to quickly generate concept design based on your working 3D model by entering certain predefined presets or natural language prompts. You can get an overview of our experimentation and examples with Virus and its features from the demonstration video shown here. As we saw from this presentation, artificial intelligence technology holds potential for landscape architecture design and planning, particularly through its capabilities for generative design. From the exploration we went through, we were able to identify the following potentials for landscape architecture design and planning. It can serve the creative processes by facilitating new ways for ideation and expressions. AI can provide a platform to initiate debates on concept development. AI enables a quick validation and iteration of visual ideas. And also AI can enhance efficiency in the conceptualization phase by visualizing concepts within seconds versus what might take days or weeks. I will try now to conclude this lecture by identifying how landscape architecture and planning community can be engaged with the AI development. One can easily conclude that artificial intelligence is a disruptive technology. Many aspects and impacts of AI technology connected to landscape architecture and planning in general still need to be explored. The future of AI for landscape architecture and planning remains unpredictable, yet we can engage with it by experimenting and playing to uncover its potentials. We are witnessing a pattern of integration of AI technology into different systems that we are already using, which will have impact on landscape architecture design process, profession, and education. As AI systems evolve, we must update our knowledge continuously. Understanding how AI works can help in making informed decisions about its applications. Critical thinking and ethical consideration are essential to grasp the implication of AI for the landscape architecture discipline. AI value in landscape architecture and planning depends on how it is used. As we seek to understand the potential of AI, we encounter the imperative to address its ethical dimensions. There is a requirement to balance the potential of technology with ethical considerations. And finally, we must decide where to draw the line. Which parts of the design process benefit from AI intervention, and which aspects should remain human-centric? Answering these questions can ensure that AI is a tool, not a replacement.